Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra Inoge, and the girl waiting carry me come outside this morning. Now about the video when I watched yesterday, this video pain me from my heart. That make I might decide to come share this video with you now. And I hope say you like this video. I bet you gonna help me subscribe, like and share, and also comment your own opinion on signing this issue.
You not get what you want.
Why would say person make we point for see person when we help at that moment for come out for marry.
You don't know what I need help. Because Bob black, something black.
See house. Don't carry house finish, come out. Go see houses for that side. Erosion don't dig all of them. What the man go do? He first key. This one is completely the fourth person when this river don't kill. If they say na river, maybe they can put flyover. Or maybe yes, now they put flyover or bridge. But if they say na erosion, maybe they put drillage. Make government come put drillage for you. It don't make sense like this now. Go see church for that side. Church don't park, come on, leave river. They don't park. Go see houses when the river, when don't condemn. Whether na river, whether na lake, whether na swamp, I don't know. I don't know. Waiting the name why you calling. But they can't help us. So now waiting with the cry for see dead body. Person picking at the ground like this. So, wow.
Shebi una don't see the video now. How una feel? How wanna feel about this our leaders? This our leaders will be say, waiting make us be elected now to safeguard our life, now to provide things when be say it go make our life be okay for the country. People they complain, say people they run come on for the country. Why people no go run? When it be say common road no go there. When it be say come on, see. Erosion they take over people's house. This video so now we say if it happen for Edo State. What we will not go talk about. Why be say our leaders now when it be say election don't they come, they will come they do things when be say they never do since when they enter post. Why be say that they waste this? Why be say they don't care about the citizen at all? Why? May you comment your own opinion concerning this matter, because now all of us needed the problem like this. Our government no care. No good infrastructure, no road. The worst part, no lights. Light when we say countries now the first thing when they even they think of. Lights not there to the essence people can't even they share. People they okay with 3 hours. Next thing no light again. Why be like that? Now what we are supposed to do for us? Now our obligation to make our life day okay. Now see, this family now they don't lose their pikin. And people they complain for the environment. Say this will not be the first death. This is not the 4th to 5th one. When this thing happen, what did our government do that time? What did our government? The only thing we be say good. The only thing we be say at the end na about Oshomole or Baseki, this one fight, this one not fight, this one not fight. What of the people will be say, why would be so una they fight to enter the post, but una need they fight to do the things when be say people go like, people go they comfortable for. Why? This family now they grieve. Their person don't die for nothing. Now erosion be that though. Erosion when it starts small. Now I come turn river. It turn river, it can't pursue people from their house. House when we say people build by themselves. You can't see they pursue them. When I check this matter, this thing supposed pass. Why it be like that? People go build house, say make they okay, fine. The government need they give, they do anything for them, make they build house. Erosion go they pursue them again. Now the thing that they talk about. Well, for my own opinion, I really think say if you be politician for Nigeria, we not say me you not be politician. We not say me you not contest for election. But the thing is that all these when they use Holy Quran, they use Holy Bible, we not forget that side first for now. If they come as politicians, we need to they swear. with juju. And not be say una come later una come dey influence the juju again. No. We will go find that, as in the police, they don't know where that juju for come. They go swear, you go swear with your life, with your family. If they elect you to the post, you not do anything. And if any member of your family say you know they do anything, but in they support you because of money when they get, you go kill una too. More could really take may they change the old those scenario, because people don't already all these police and they don't say nothing go happen, nothing go happen. But once something don't they really happen, they go change. Nobody go even they come outside as a one contest, because they know say now only their own bag now they fight for now their pockets that they fight. They know they fight about waiting the poor masses when they did the villages go do. I even the year say the virus don't even enter Nigeria, like 5 have been how many cases. All those are not being neglected. All those are now way be say government choose money pass its citizen. Now waiting go happen. Make we put hand together. If you really want to enter post, you go swear with juju, and juju go get juju when they want to swear put. You no go know where it come from. And if you did that, you know say your friend they talk like your friend will be say in a politician, because you they collect money, the juju go kill you join. With the risk of look this family now that they cry. They don't lose their person. You go build as no get peace. Light not there, nothing. Erosion go they pursue you from your house for where you know for still get light. Nothing. When I think I'm now, when I check this matter, the things already they happen. The only thing I know not to fight Obaseki, not to do Oshomole. But nobody they talk about those poor masses when in their village. Nobody they talk about those poor who not get money. For Edo State, they talk about. Now my state. Why it be like that? When I forget Oshomole for now, when I think about myself, and those people when be say that they go they collect money for this. If election don't come, they go they collect small money. When I think about my life. Now my own opinion be this. Oh, I also wanna like this video. I also wanna do the right thing. I be wanna subscribe to this channel. Wanna stay safe. God bless.